guys, I will tell you how to make any app in free of cost. So you have to open Play Store and download Sketchware app. You have to install this one. I have installed already. So I will open Sketchware. So you can create any type of app. Like I am creating a new project. Calendar. So you will click on choose a gallery and you can upload any picture that you want. See, I will take this and create app. I will open this. Then it is your choice what to write and what to do. And if you have to create a big app or a game, so you have to click on logic on create activity. You have to paste here like this, repeat. See, I will show you a demo. Click on run and skip the ad, and the app will make app for you. Then you have to install the app. See, you can see demo calendar. You will click on and it will show all the calendar. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel.